is more important than the topic. If you are comfortable with this revision, which I will be doing in first 5 minutes, if you are okay with that, then only these concepts will follow. So better I
Yes.
wait, especially those compartment students who join very late, unfortunately. Now there is one participant named Jai's iPhone. So it is Jaigiri or new admission Jai?
New
New
admission Jai.
admission.
Jai C.
Acha. And where is that our dear Jaigiri?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Okay, shall we start?
Yes,
Start
sir.
with revision. Yes, our Jai came. Okay, let us start. This was our first point, once upon a time.
Yes,
Electrostatic
sir.
potential due to a charge. And much before that, we had discussed about electrostatic potential energy. What was it? Can you recollect from this diagram?
Electrostatic potential difference.
Potential energy. Electrostatic potential energy, but I'll speak only potential energy. What was it?
KQ by R.
That is formula. I want some verbal explanation.
Bringing a charge from a distance point infinite to point P against the electric field.
Yeah, work done to bring charge Q from infinity to given point P against electric field, and this was the definition. Okay. Then we had concept about potential. This electrostatic potential, but I'll use the word only potential in today's talk. What was potential?
Bringing unit positive charge.
From infinity to given point.
Yeah. So what was difference between potential energy and potential?
Potential energy means Q charge, and it is in
Potential के अंदर unit
point
charge.
charge.
Yeah. So to
Point.
sum up both the answers, Shivam and Darshan's answer, if you are bringing any charge Q from infinity, it was potential energy. But if you are bringing unit charge, it is potential. Okay. What was symbol of that? V. Right? Okay. What was relation between them? Formula for potential was KQ by R.
U is equal to QP.
Yeah.
QV, sorry.
Yeah. If you bring unit charge, this is very important. If you bring unit charge from infinity to given point P, work done was V joule. If you bring any Coulomb charge, what is work done? That is QV, and that is potential energy. U equal to Q. Fine? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, today's content is little tricky, and I hope you will pay full attention.
Sir,
Yes?
sir, last 2 class के notes बाकी है.
हाँ नहीं है, बाकी है. because I was not feeling well और जो आपको जो पढ़ाया वो सीधा ऑनलाइन पढ़ाया था.
Okay.
What I'll do today and tomorrow, जैसे notes तैयार होती I'll keep on sending to you. You will get
Okay,
it.
sir.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So today's topic, and all of you need to stay focused. You want to find potential energy. That means you want to find work done to bring Q1 from infinity to this point. Okay. Now this is my region. And let's say this is infinity. And this is a region without electric field. Are you getting the point?
Yes,
Now,
sir.
your turn to answer. What is the work I need to do to bring
Zero.
Q1 from infinity to given
0,
point?
0.
0. So electric field was 0. So work done equal to 0. So potential energy is equal to 0. Okay. Fine, sir?
Yes,
Now,
sir.
was there any interaction of Q1 with anything? When Q1 was shifted here, was there any electric field?
No.
No. Was
No,
there
sir.
any charge?
No.
No. Was there any interaction?
No.
No.
No. Therefore, we say U equal to 0.
0.
Okay. Now let's go one step further. I draw one more region. At A, Q1 is already present.
सर पूरा डायग्राम नहीं दिखना.
Oh, sorry.
हाँ दिख गया सर.
At A, Q1 is already present. Okay.
Okay.
And now
Yes, sir.
you want to bring
Yes,
Q2
sir.
from infinity to point B.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So again, this is infinity. We will bring Q2 here.
Okay.
Yes,
Now-
sir.
Now, is electric field 0 or non-zero?
Non-zero.
Zero.
0.
Non-zero.
Will there be interaction?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Suppose this was not present. Okay. Just point B is there at a distance, let's say R12. Nothing is brought here.
Okay, sir.
Now
Okay,
you are
sir.
bringing 1 coulomb charge from infinity to a given point. 1 coulomb charge from infinity to P. It means at R12 from Q1. What will be the potential?
Q1 by R12.
R given 2.
KQ1 by distance R12.
Yes.
If you bring 1
Yes,
coulomb
sir.
charge, 1V, 2 coulomb charge, 2V, 3 coulomb charge, 3V. And if you bring Q2 coulomb charge, now Q2 coulomb charge you are bringing from infinity to given point B. So you know U equal to Q times B.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now which charge you are bringing? Q1 or Q2?
Q2.
Q2. So that is Q2. And at which point you are bringing? At B. And where was potential at that? This. So I'll write K Q1 upon R12. Is it fine?
सर पर ये तो समझ आया कि इन्फ्लुएंस करेगा बी, लेकिन बी पे भी कोई चार्ज तो होगा ना स्पेसिफिक.
ना, हमने जब शुरू में पॉइंट बी रखा वो जस्ट लोकेशन था, वहाँ कुछ था ही नहीं. फिर 1 कूलम चार्ज लाए तो कितना वर्क करना पड़ा? के Q1 by R1. If you are bringing Q2 coulomb charge, then what is the work to be done? This much. Q2 times V. Are you getting it? So
Yes.
this is for effort required for 1 coulomb charge. For Q2 coulomb charge, how much effort is required? Q2 times more. So Q2 times KQ1 by R1. This can be written as KQ1 Q2 upon R1. I can write it as potential energy of second charge because of first charge. That is KQ2.
Q1.
For convenience, I'm writing KQ2 Q1 upon R1. Do you get this point? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, I'm repeating it. In a region where there was no electric field, work required done to be 0 because there was nothing which was opposing the movement. No effort was required. So potential at A is 0. Potential energy is also 0. No interaction, no potential. But now I brought Q1, kept it at A. And now this region will have electric field, non-zero. And I bring Q2 from infinity to a given point. So will there be interaction between Q2 and Q1? Hello, I asked a question. When
Yes,
you bring
sir.
Q2 from
Sir.
infinity in this region, will it start interacting with Q1?
Yes.
Yes.
So
Yes.
you need to put some effort. How much effort you will require? This much. So this is effort for 1 coulomb charge,
Unit charge.
1 coulomb charge.
and this is
Okay.
effort for
Q2.
Q2 coulomb of
2
charge.
coulomb charge.
Fine, sir?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, stay focused. Situation now is becoming. Stay focused. No, Cortana starts. You are able to see the notebook now?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
This is that same region. At A, now we have got Q1.
सर आपका ये मतलब इसमें बुक में विजुअल लैक हो रहा है.
Then connection will break at any moment. So my speech and the pen movement are having time gap.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now that means there is network issue. So I'll do one thing, I'll speak slowly. At B, you are having Q2. Okay. What was work done to bring Q1?
0.
Let's say it is U1 equal to 0.
0.
What is work done to bring Q2? We have written at U21 equal to K
Q-
Q1,
Q2
Q2 divided
Q1
by distance.
Q1.
R21.
Q2.
Distance was R21. Okay. Now from infinity, you bring third charge at C, and that charge is going to be Q3,
Distance.
right? And this distance is, let's say, R31, and this distance is R32. Okay. Will Q3 interact with Q1?
Yes.
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 There will be potential energy of third charge because of first charge. I can write equal to K Q3 Q1 upon R31.
And 3R.
This distance R31. Okay. Not only that, Q3, will it interact with Q2 also?
Yes.
Here also they'll interact, no?
Yes.
So there would be again, I'll write at U, potential energy of third because of second charge equal to K Q3 Q2 upon R3. Are you able to see the notebook?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we had one
Yes,
answer.
sir.
To bring Q1, no effort. To bring second charge, this was the effort. And to bring third charge, this is the effort. Right? Now what is total potential energy of system and system of three charges?
Sum of all potential energy.
So that is U equal to U1 plus U21 plus U31 plus U32. Is it fine?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And this is equal to 0 plus K Q2 Q1 upon, what shall I write in denominator?
R21.
R21
2-1.
plus K Q3 Q1 divided by
R31.
R31.
plus K. What shall I write here in numerator?
Q3, Q2.
Q3, Q2.
Q3 Q2 upon R32.
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 So can I take out K common? So Q2 Q1 R21 Q3 Q1 upon R31 Q3 Q2 upon R32. Okay, sir?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this question one can ask, find potential energy of system of three charges. Okay, then this should be your answer. This figure in textbook they have added Cartesian coordinate system, right?
So lacking हो रहा है.
I'm helpless dear in that regard. Okay, meanwhile we get that network speed. Open your textbook.
सब सही चल रहा है.
Open page 62. First, open page 61, where the heading is potential energy of system of charges. Okay, and in that it comes to an end somewhere here. This last equation, U equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 Q1 Q2. This is what we
Yes.
have derived. This was our diagram.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now, going one step further. Now I'm writing equation first. Potential energy of two charges in electric field. Now, how this equation is different from previous one?
First electric field was not there.
Very good. There was no electric
Potential
field at all.
energy of bringing first charge will not be 0.
0. Okay. So there were 3 charges. Now we are having 2 charges. There was no electric field in the initial part. Now there is electric field. Fine. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
for convenience, I'm drawing, let's say, uniform electric field. It can be any kind of electric field, not necessarily uniform. This is E, which is already present. And let's say this is point A and this is point B. Okay. At A, will there be potential?
Yes.
If you bring from infinity any charge up to A, 1 coulomb charge, okay. 1 coulomb charge is to be brought from infinity to A. Will you experience electric field on the way?
Yes.
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 So there you need to put some efforts.
Yes.
Yes. So there will be
Yeah.
potential. Let's say it is VA. Okay. At B, if you are bringing 1 coulomb charge from infinity, potential will be VB. Is it clear, sir? Okay.
हाँ sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, work done to bring Q1 at A. Let's say we write U1. Shall I write equal to Q1 VA? U equal to Q, we know. So which charge you are
Yes.
bringing? Q1. At which point? A.
A.
And what is potential at that point?
PA.
So product will give you potential,
Oh yeah.
potential energy. Not potential, but potential energy. Okay.
सर इस क्वेश्चन में मैं ऐसा नहीं कंसीडर करेगा अगर पॉइंट ए को पहले लाए तो फिर उसमें सिर्फ इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड, फिर जब पॉइंट बी को लाए तो इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड प्लस इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड ड्यू टू ए.
So I'm coming to that mystery is unfolding now. Now, work done. What you are saying is coming now. Work done to bring Q2 at B. Now it will have 2 parts. Okay. Work done.
Sir,
At
repeat.
least 10 minutes left. Work done against electric field. So that we write, let's say.
सर नोटबुक थोड़ी ऊपर लो ना.
Oh, sorry.
हाँ sir.
Okay, now it's fine. Okay, so this will be equal to Q2, and where we are bringing at B, VB. Which charge we are bringing?
B.
Q2, and which part we are bringing? B. What is potential at B?
PB.
BB.
So product of charge and the potential will give you potential, which you require against electric field. But now there is a twist in the story. When you brought Q2 here, Q1 was already present.
Yes.
Yes. So Q1 and Q2 will interact,
Yes.
and because of interaction, it will lead to potential energy. So I'll write
Yes.
potential energy due to who's coming in and out. Potential energy due to interaction between Q1 and Q2, and that's going to be equal to K Q1 Q2 upon R12. Let's say this distance is R12. You get it now? So now there are two terms. For U1, there was only one term. It is work required only against electric field. But when you bring Q2, there is work required against electric field and against Q1 also. Now, what is total potential energy? That is Q1 VA plus Q2 VB plus K Q1 Q2 upon R12.
R square.
Okay. If I ask you, what is Q1 VA? It is potential due to electric field. This is also potential energy due to electric field, and this is potential energy due to interaction. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Where is it given in the textbook? On page 65, potential energy of system of two charges in external field. Okay, and then we had this one. This is, I'm using A and B. We have used R1 and R. Okay, and instead of 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0, it is K. Is it fine?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Okay. Now we are left with around 5 minutes. Electron volt have you used in your chemistry?
Yes.
What is electron
Yes,
volt?
sir. Negative charge item.
The question is, what is EV? Full form is
Potential due to electron.
electron volt.
Pot-
If this is the question, answer should be it is a unit of energy. How come? Logic number 1. You know U equal to QV.
Yes.
Charge, you have used 1 electron. It is brought to a place where potential V was potential. So product of this is 1 electron volt. And what is U? Potential energy. Okay. Second logic. There are 2 points A and B. Here VA is, let's say, 9 volt, and here VB equal to 10 volt. So what is potential difference? Shall I write 1 volt? Now I take 1 coulomb
Yes.
charge, 1 electron, okay, is to be shifted along this path from A to B. Means electron goes from A to B
अरे A to B क्यों जाएगा? B to A नहीं जाएगा? B to potential
Having-
difference.
potential difference of 1 volt. So let's say this is, okay, let it be like this. Electron goes from A to B. So what is the energy required? U equal to Q into V. Q is 1 electron and potential is 1 volt. This is going to be 1.6 in 10 raised to minus 19
It's 19.
joule. So 1 EV equal to 1.6 10 raised to minus 19 joule. This is unit of energy, because joule is also a unit of
Energy.
energy. So what is 1 electron volt? You migrate an electron from one point to another having potential difference of 1 volt. The amount of energy that you will require is called 1 electron volt, right? And it is a much smaller unit. So generally used in chemistry or atomic level reactions are there. You express energy not in terms of joule but electron volt, which is a smaller unit.
Yes.
Whereas in physics, when you're dealing with a large change in energy, a large amount of energy, we use the unit joule. So basically both are in one way same, both are units of energy. Okay. Then you have got kilo electron volt, mega electron volt, and so on. And that is very trivial. It is given on the same page in textbook, somewhere here. So if an electron with a charge is accelerated by potential difference of 1 volt, how much energy it acquires? This much. Okay. Where do we use atomic physics? In nuclear physics, we use MeV, million electron volt. As well as in particle physics, we use EV. So in second part, when we study nuclear physics, we'll deal with MeV, million electron volt only. Okay. So 1 kilo electron volt means 10 raised to 3. Million electron volt means 10 raised to 6. And giga means 10 raised to 9. And meeting will get over. Thank you for joining. Stay at home, stay safe, enjoy.
Thank you, sir.
कहाँ
you, sir.
enjoy
Bye,
करने
sir.
देते हो? होमवर्क देते हो कहाँ ऐसे एंजॉय करें?
इसीलिए तो एंजॉय
वही
करके
ना
बताया
सर.
होमवर्क इज एंजॉयमेंट.
सारे स्कूल अरे सारे टीचर्स होमवर्क की
अच्छी बात है ना.
सर पर ये अभी तो क्या लॉकडाउन हो तो
रेशमा मैम तो प्रो लेवल पे होमवर्क देते हैं सर. एक एक एक्सरसाइज खत्म कर दो.
ऐसा